Which organ of human is responsible for detoxification? Liver. Which type of blood cell helps clotting? Platelets. Example of professional social networking. LinkedIn. Who is the all-time leading run scorer in international cricket? Sachin Tendulkar. Which cricketer took most wickets in Test cricket? Muthaiya Muralidharan, 800. Which team won the maximum number of ICC ODI World Cup? Australia, 6 times. Who won the maximum number of Wimbledon? Martina Navratilova, 9 times. Who wrote Ramcharitmanas? Tulsidas. Who wrote India Wins Freedom? Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Smallest bone of human body? Stapes. Strongest bone of human body? Femur. Which material is used to manufacture of steel? Chromium and nickel. Largest state of India? Rajasthan. Smallest state of India? Goa. Which state has the lowest population in India? Sikkim. Largest freshwater lake in India? Ular Lake. First film of India? Raja Harishchandra. First woman IPS officer? Kiran Bedi. Dachigam National Forest located in Jammu and Kashmir. Longest dam in India? Hirakud Dam.